Hey guys, Rolando from ReveMoto. Today we're going to be working on a 2016 Volkswagen GTI front bumper removal. The tools you're going to be needing is going to be a T20 Torx bit with a ratchet set. So first and foremost, I jacked up the car because the car is kind of low, so we can get underneath the car also. And we're going to go ahead and pop open the hood. So we're going to start off with the wheel well right here. So we're going to have two Torx bits to take off right here. We're gonna go ahead and move over to the other side. There's actually a top screw the other one didn't have, so you're gonna have actually 3 screws to take off over here. Alright, there's 3. Now we're going to go to the bottom and take off the screws up there. So you're going to start off on one side, and there's going to be 7 of these screws. Alright, now we're going to take off the screws on the top portion. There's going to be 2 of them on each side. So now that all the screws are gone, so we can go ahead and pull from one side. Actually, there's gonna be 2 more screws right inside the bumper. hold on to the bumper because you're gonna have to take off the fog lights too. So you press down on this lever, on this point right here, and it should come right off. Same thing on this side. So basically you press down, you pull this aside, and you press down right here. And it should come right off. It's a little tiny plug. So if you guys didn't see on the video how to take this grill off, once you take off these screws right here, all you do is pull up and it comes right off. So it's just these things, prongs pushing down on it, and when you lift up, it comes right off. Hey guys, so that's how you take off a 2016 Volkswagen GTI front bumper. Go ahead and turn on that push notifications, leave a like, and also subscribe to our channel for more video content. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, ReveMoto.com does sell all those parts to you. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Rolando from Rev. Sell those parts for you. Oh, actually, to you. Volkswagen front bumper. Let me start, okay?